Good morning, folks. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. It's going to be a quick, short video. I was just going to talk to you a little bit here about the upcoming gardening season. If you haven't already, you might want to go ahead and get your seeds ordered. They'll keep just as good at your place as they will at the seed store. But go ahead and order them while you can. And some of the places we get them from, now we've not yet tried it, but we might this year for onion plants. Dixondale Farms. Told Carolyn, I said we may try them this year. Now this place here, Vermont Bean Seed Company. Now we love, it's called Monte Cristos. I know you've heard us talk about them. We've raised them before. That is our new favorite bean. They're a pole bean. They're stringless. They're a big meaty bean. And they grow pretty good, folks. They've got other stuff too. This is a new one for us. Morgan County Seeds. I found several tomato varieties in there I wanted to try this year. And they've got other stuff too. But when we get our seeds ordered and get them, we'll show you what we got. Young Seed and Plants. We've ordered from them before. Totally Tomatoes. Baker Creek. That's where they've got all their heirloom seeds. Folks, if you would, try to grow as much as you can. I know I've said this before, but you can tell just going to the grocery store what it looks like and everything. And I'd seen even like West Virginia, I heard on the radio the other morning that they're urging more people to try to grow more of their own food, that you could even get seeds, call the state up and they could get garden seeds. Every little bit will help. But just letting you know, we're got more gardening stuff coming up here soon. And it's like all of our apple trees. We need to get them pruned. Need to prune them here over winter time. And like this Bloom's Almanac. You can see here, they've got planting dates and different things. This is what Grandpa always went by. This is what we go by. It's got in there good dates for pruning, different days for planting and stuff like that there. Weaning your animals. Coming up here in future videos pretty soon, be me and Carolyn, Dan. We'll be talking about last year's garden. We'll be doing a review of it. And the stuff will be re-raising the varieties and different varieties we're going to try this year. And different things like that there. Of course, Carolyn's going to have more canning videos. And of course, we'll always keep our cooking videos. Hope y'all like those. But once again, I'd like to thank everybody for getting us up over 1,000 subscribers. And just, y'all are great. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you Monday. Stay safe. We'll have more videos coming up.